Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the lags on Wuthering Waves mobile game. So first we need to go to graphics settings and set everything to low graphic quality, from medium to low, resolution to low, and shadow quality to low. Everything should be on the low, and the biggest settings for all devices will be the FSR. The FSR, Fidelity Effect Super Resolution. Some of the phones currently don't have any compatibility with FSR, so make sure that you guys check it out and just try to turn it on. If the phone stutters while playing the game, turn it off, because some chipset doesn't have a compatibility with these settings. So that's probably it. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.